G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and today I've got our new range of cut protection gloves. You may or may not know that cut protection has changed over the last 12 months, where the old rating was a 1 to 5 cut protection. It's now changed to letters, so letter A being the least cut protection, and as you move down the alphabet you get a higher cut protection. So I've got some of our new range here, so let's go through them and take a look. So the first one I've got here is a level B cut protection glove. So level B means for light duty, so where you may possibly cut yourself. They have a rubber in the palm, which is good for oils and moisture and things like that, so it doesn't soak into the glove. The next glove I've got, the yellow one, is also a level B cut glove. It has a nitrile palm and fingers on it. It makes things more tactile so you can feel what you're doing. The next glove in the range is our blue level C cut protection glove. You'd use this where there's more possibility of cutting yourself. It has a full rubber coating, so you're able to use it where there's moisture so it won't soak into the glove. The last glove I have for you today is our red cut level F glove, which is our highest rated cut level glove we have in the range. It also has a penetration level of 4, which is also the highest, which makes it the safest glove in the range. And lastly, I have a cut level C sleeve protection. So you simply slide it on and then fit your glove. And that not only gives you your hand protection, but also your sleeve protection if something is to dig in here. So these are just 4 gloves from our range. Check out the Wurth eShop for the complete range of glove protection. Don't forget to like our page, and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Wurth.